What's up guys, and welcome to yet another tutorial by Nullbyte Entertainment. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to hide basically anything behind an image. Now for this to work, you'll need three things: a Windows operating system, WinRAR, and also any image that you prefer that you want to use to hide the files. So let's get started. On your desktop, right click anywhere and create a new folder. I'm gonna call this folder 1. So when you're done, just open up that folder, and then you'll need to paste anything that you want to hide inside this folder. Now I'm going to be adding a few screenshots. Let's say 4 or 5 MP3s, as well as one video. Now as you can see, I have added 9 items into this folder. Now I've got 5 MP3s, 1 MP4 and 3 PNG screenshots. Now after you've done that, you'll need to compress this folder using WinRAR. Now you'll just right click on this folder, click on WinRAR, add to folder1.rar. Now as you'll see now, WinRAR will compress the folder, and when you're done, you'll need an image behind which you want to hide all these files. Now while this is compressing, I'm going to choose my image so long. Let's see. Alright, let's use this image. I've got an image here of a Ferrari, as you see. You'll also notice that after compressing your folder, another folder will appear called folder1.rar. Now this is the folder or the archive that we're going to hide behind this image. Now for this to work, you'll need to open up command prompt and navigate to your desktop directory. Now there's two ways you can do this. You can just open up command prompt, press enter, and then you'll need to navigate to your desktop. Mine is already user, so you just type in cd, which means change directory, and then desktop, enter. As you'll see now, I'm in the desktop directory. But if for example you guys are in root directory, alright, where it says C, which means root directory on your hard drive, you'll just need to type in cd percentage user profile percentage, enter, and then you need to type in again change directory, desktop. Now this is only one method. A more easier method will be by right clicking anywhere on the desktop while holding the shift button. You'll notice there's a shell that says open command window here. Just click on that one. Alright, so after you've got the command prompt open, let's start by typing in copy space /B, and then you need to enter the name of your image, which will be ferrari.jpg. ferrari.jpg space, then you need to add a plus sign, because you're gonna you need to add, how can I say, 2 items. The first one will be as I have mentioned just now, the image. The second one will be the archive that you've created, which will be folder1.rar. Then you need to put in 1 space, and now here you can type in any name you want with an extension. I'm gonna type in output.jpg. Let me just open here for you guys a little bit. Alright, anyways, Let's go through that again. Once you have opened up command prompt, you need to type in copy/b, and then you need to add the name of your image plus the name of your archive. This folder1.rar, your rar archive, followed by one space and then any name dot extension. So what I mean by that is any name I have chosen output, then you need to put a period and then your extension, which in this case will be JPG. After that, just press enter. As you see, command prompt loaded the two files and it will say one file or files copied. You can just exit command prompt. You'll notice that there will be another file here that looks exactly the same as the image we used. Let me just show you guys here quickly. Alright, so the first one is ferrari.jpg and the second one is output.jpg. Now the difference between these two is the following. When you right click on the image and you go to properties, you'll notice that the size will be 1.39 megabytes and the one that got generated by command prompt will be much higher depending on the amount of files that you compressed. As you noticed, output.jpg is 46.4 megabyte. So you are done for now. Now basically you can send this file to anyone and just, for example, you can hide anything behind anything. Now you can hide images behind an MP3 file, or you can, for example, hide archives behind let's say text documents. So basically you can hide anything behind anything. So let's take a look at this image here. As I've told you already, it's still the original image. Only difference is that the size is much larger. The first one I think was, let me check again, 1.39. This one is 46.4 megabyte. So how do you access this data that we have hidden inside? You're gonna right click on your image. You're going to click on this button that says open with, and you're going to choose WinRAR. If WinRAR does not show up, you're going to go here to choose default program. Make sure you untick this box and then you need to click on WinRAR. If WinRAR is not listed here, just click on more options. Go down to the very bottom, look for another app on this PC. WinRAR will be installed in your on your hard drive. Program files, winrar.exe. So there you go. Just right click, open with, and then choose WinRAR. So now a WinRAR window opens up. Inside you'll see the folder that we created in the first step, folder 1, and inside you will find all the files that you have hidden. Now you can use this method to send like serial keys, anything that's basically private data or sensitive information to someone else. Lots of people doesn't know about this trick, and I have to say, or I have to admit that there are millions of people out there that is sending files every day without even knowing that there might be data hidden behind the images or the MP3s, the videos, could be anything. So this is just a neat trick you guys must go check out. You can try this on your own Windows operating system. I'm using Windows 8.1. As you can see here, it says Windows 8.1. It's the single language, but I'm pretty sure this works on Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows Vista, as well as Windows 10. So that's all for today, guys, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.